everybody. My name is Kim, and I'm the happiest cook. Today we are wrapping up our 2023 world tour here in the Philippines. And I'm going to be preparing a meal from a friend of mine in Hawaii. She's Filipino, and she taught me how to make chicken adobo. Now, where's that recipe? That box is always moving around. Oh, recipe box! Where are you, recipe box? There you are! Always sneaking around. You know, and Halloween coming soon. Who knows where it will end up. Up there it is. Chicken adobo. All right, so it takes, let's see, yep, I got it all. It's a super simple recipe and really delicious. So I have all my things together. Do you have yours? All right, like I always say, let's get cooking. Right, we are ready to get going. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our soy sauce and our vinegar, our peppercorns, super important that you use peppercorns, and our garlic. I wanted to mention that the one thing to me that separates this from just a basic shoyu chicken is there's no sugar in this. It's supposed to be tangy, and the vinegar and the shoyu and the garlic and the peppercorns give it a tang. If you put sugar in it, then you've got nothing more than like a shoyu chicken, and that's not what we're after. So, just wanted to mention that. All right, there we go. And then we are going to, I have those. We are going to put our chicken thighs in our bag, mix them all up, and let them sit for 20 minutes. And then we will start cooking. Our chicken has been marinating for about 20 minutes. My pan is hot, and all I'm going to do is I am going to take this chicken and cook it. I'm going to get it all in the pan. It doesn't matter if you crowd it. It can be crowded. This is the one time you can actually cook and crowd. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to let our chicken cook for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to flip them and let them cook for about 2 minutes more. And they don't need to be totally cooked because we're actually going to continue to cook them after we pre-cook them here in the pan. So you won't need to worry. Don't worry, we're not going to have raw chicken. And the bay leaves and the peppercorns, just put them in the pan with the chicken, and we're just going to let that sit and cook. You don't stir it, don't flip it, just let it sit, okay? All right, our chicken has been cooking now for about 5 minutes, not too long. I just flipped it, and I am going to take the remaining sauce from our marinade. We're going to pour that on our chicken. Then we're going to add our water, and this is the hard part. You have to let it cook. You don't stir it, you don't move the chicken, you just let it cook. So I'm going to put mine on a low simmer, and we're going to let it cook like that for 20 minutes uncovered. Now the sauce will thicken as it cooks. All right, we're back, and our chicken is almost complete. If you look, you can see that the liquid has gotten thick and kind of this beautiful color. So we're going to turn all of our chickens over. I am going to be plating it up, and I'll be back in just a moment. Our dinner is ready. This is what I'm having for dinner anyway. This is chicken adobo made authentically the Filipino way with white fluffy rice, and I've been dying to try. Oh my goodness. That is so delicious. And I want to tell you, encourage you, when you are cooking this, make sure that you let it boil almost all of the liquid out. It turns into this beautiful caramely colored sauce, and then you flip your chicken and it's got this yummy thick sauce on it. It's so delicious. So I just want to thank everybody for coming today and being with us here on our last World Tour 2023 show. And I'm looking forward. We have one more meal here in the Philippines. It's going to be yummy. It's going to be super, super yummy. Don't miss it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. We are getting ready to hit the big 300 subscribers. Oh my goodness. Thank you so very much for subscribing. We really do appreciate it. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.